I love maths. We love maths. Hello everyone. It's Monday and it's time for some more maths. It's time for a maths meeting. Today we are going to be looking at number, some counting, some sharing, which is new. We haven't done sharing yet. Some counting and an odd one out. So let's start with our counting. So our number of the day is here. It's a small number today. How many dots can we see? How many dots are there? And what shape is that? I often put this number in this shape. Let's see. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. What? It's not 6. Oh. What are the rules of counting? Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Oh. What are the rules of counting? Remember? Okay. We always start with what number? 1. Oh, we always start with 1. I was starting with 5. We always start with 1. And we count everything how many times? How many times do we count everything? Tell the grown-up in the room or tell someone else, how many times do we count everything? Do we count everything twice? 3 times? Maybe once? We count everything once. We start with 1, we count everything once. And the number we say at the end is the number of things. Okay, let's try again. Start with 1, count everything once. 1, 2, 3. Stop. I said 3. There were 3 things. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, got it. Okay, let's make 3 with some Play-Doh. I've got some Play-Doh here. I'm going to make 3 with Play-Doh. You've got, one of the things you can do this week is make some Play-Doh. Bee's made some on YouTube. Have a look. Follow her recipe. Make some Play-Doh. And you can make Play-Doh too. So I've made some Play-Doh. And I'm going to make the number 3 with that Play-Doh. So here's my Play-Doh. I'm going to make number 3. So first of all, I need a long sausage of Play-Doh. So we're going to roll the rolling machine. Here it comes, pushing down and going backwards and forwards. It's getting longer. There we go. That's nice long. Now a 3 is this way around. And it starts like this. And I'm going to cut it in half actually. I'm going to go chop like this. There we go. So we need this shape like this, and then another shape almost the same. Squish that together, and there is my number 3. We go at the top, we go round and round. Number 3, round the tree and round the tree for number 3. There's our number 1, 2, 3. There are, made 3 with the Play-Doh. Now I'm going to draw the number as well. Now to remember 3, I often say round the tree and round the tree. So let's go. Round the tree and round the tree. There we go, that's number 3. Number 3, round the tree, round the tree. Good. Now I've got a picture here, and I think our number of the day, which is 3, and we showed me 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Good. 3 fingers. I think there were lots of 3 things here. Can you see anything where there's 3 of them? There's 5, 6 things with something to do with number 3. What can we find? Ooh, something in the tree. Oh, 3 in tree. That rhymes. Have a look at the tree. Is there 3 anything there? 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. Well done. That gets a tick. Anything else? How about the flower? What's that got? 1, 2, 3. 3 petals. Well done. What else can we see? Look, out of the chimney comes 1, 2, 3 clouds, or 3 pieces of smoke. Good. Is that one done? What else can we see? To get a bit more tricky now. In the sky, there are 1, 2, 3 birds. Very good. How about the house? What number is the house? It's number 3. Okay, there's 2 more, slightly more tricky now. How many windows? 1, 2, 3. Very good. 3 windows. There's 1 more. Now, have a look at the dots here. What shape? I join the dots. 1, 2, 3. What shape is that? Triangle. Is there a triangle in my picture? Is there? Look. 1, 2, 3. The roof is a triangle. The roof has 3 sides. There we go. That's our number 3 drawing. Your first task today is to try and draw a 3 drawing. That's a drawing with lots of 3s in it. It could be a 3 on a house. It could be 3 on a bus. It could be 3 petals. It could be 3 things. It could be a monster with 3 eyes. It could be a dog with 3 legs. So we've got a dog here. It's got 4 legs. We could make it a dog with 3 legs. Oh no, poor dog, what happened? You've only got 3 legs. There we go. So draw a picture with lots of things that have 3. Good. Let's move on. Next is counting. I want to know how many dots are there all together. We've got some here, and some here. And I need to know how many all together. Tricky. Let's see. Well, here, what shape is this? Anyone can see what number this is without counting? Any subitizing? Let's see. For the grown-ups, subitizing is when you see dots and you know how many dots there are. This is on dice. When children play a lot of dice games, when they see a dice pattern like this, they know it's 5. No counting involved, you just know it's 5. That's called subitizing. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here just 1. So we've got a 6, a 5, and a 1. How many altogether? Ooh, so that's what should we do? Let's put it in to a 10 frame. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 2 more. So now we've moved them all into a 10 and a 2. So let's count them together. Start with 1, count everything once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Your turn. "12." Very good. And we write 12 as a 10 and a 2. 12, because it's a 10 and a 2. 12. Can you write 12? Can you find 12 things? practice counting to 12. That's your task number 2. Task number 1, a drawing of 3. Task number 2, try and find 12 things. Good. Okay, now we're on to some sharing. And there are some rules for sharing. The aim is to share. We've got 2 people today, Teddy 1 and Monkey. And we've got some apples. We want to share these apples between Teddy and Monkey. What shall we do? How should we share these things between Teddy and Monkey? Well, I could give some to Monkey, just give him some here, and then give some to Teddy. There we go. Now, we have to ask ourselves some questions. Number 1, are there any apples left? No, we've shared them all out. So that's good. So, are there any left? Nope, no apples left. Next question, do they all have the same? Okay, does Monkey have the same as Bear? Well, let's find out. Monkey has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Does Bear have 4? Does Bear have 4 apples? No, Bear doesn't have 4 apples. Bear is sad. 1, 2. Oh, Monkey has 4, but Bear has 2. Is it fair? Is it fair? It's not fair. Monkey has more than Bear. What can we do? I don't have any more apples. Look, they're all gone. No more apples. So what should we do? Shall I give another apple to Monkey? No, now Bear's got 1 and Monkey's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That didn't work. What should we do? Have a think. What shall we do? I could take 1 away from Monkey. Now Monkey's got 1, 2, 3. And Bear's got 1, 2. Oh, what should I do with this one? Give it to Bear? Okay, does that help? So, now we have to ask the questions. Are there any left? No. Do they all have the same? Do they all have the same? Monkey has 1, 2, 3. Has Bear got 3? 1, 2, 3. Bear does have 3. Oh, is it fair? Yes, they've both got the same, so it's fair. Very good. We've shared. Fantastic. Sharing done. Good work, everybody. That's some really good sharing. That's your task 3, is to get some things and share them between your toys, or share them between mum and dad, or share them between you and your sister or brother. So practice some sharing so you both have the same. Right, last thing, got a quick odd one out. And today's odd one out is about vegetables, because I've just made some vegetable soup. So I thought we'd do a vegetable odd one out. And we have, what's this? A carrot. We have a potato and a mushroom and a tomato. So like always, there's no wrong answers as long as you can tell me a reason why one of them is the odd one out in a nice long sentence. Okay, let's think. I'm going to say the tomato is the odd one out because it's the only one that's squishy. It's all wet and squishy inside. A carrot is hard, potato is hard, and a mushroom is fairly hard. It's not squishy. but a tomato is definitely squishy. Okay. Another one. The tomato is the odd one out because I don't like tomatoes really. They're fine on pizzas, but I don't really like them on their own. But I love carrots, I love potatoes, and I love mushrooms, but I don't like tomatoes. So that's the odd one out. The tomato is the odd one out because Simon doesn't like them. There we go. What is your choice? What's your odd one out and why? So today I would like you to draw a picture using 3. So something has to be 3 in your picture. I want you to count 12 things. I would like you to practice sharing some things between 2 different people or animals or friends or toys. And I would like you to tell me which one is the odd one out. Well done. Good work today. I love maths. We love maths. See you tomorrow.